What's up, you guys? Feels good to be back. Today I'm kind of like, you know, one of those kind of days. But quick update, I am daily in Cupcake now, so you are going to be seeing a lot of videos of her coming up soon. I'm kind of indecisive what car I really should work on right now, because I kind of want to fix the radio. For some reason the radio powers but there's no sound. I thought it was a dead stereo, changed it, and still the same issue. So yeah, so I'm not gonna be working on that. Nothing, baby? Nothing. Say hi. 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 Picking her nose, she's nasty. So I'm actually gonna be working on the white Civic today. Issues with the feed line. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the restrictor plate that goes on top of the turbo because it is leaking, and then I'm gonna be installing the sandwich plate as well. Not quite sure if you guys seen the car. Actually, yeah, she's sitting kind of low. Really nice, in my opinion, honestly. I can get it. But we're gonna be working on this feed right here. As you can see, it is leaking a little bit, so we're gonna be swapping that out.
Hi guys.
Also have a sandwich plate. Let me go ahead and show you guys how those look, and we'll get started on swapping those out. This is the one that we're gonna be swapping out.
Daddy,
and this is the restrictor plate. So, and it was for T3, T4 turbo. Then we have here the sandwich plate. Honestly, I love the quality of it. I'm still kind of nervous to run it, just because it is eBay 1/8 national pipe threading. So it is gonna work with my feed line. In the future, I want to run. So it's gonna be so I'm most likely gonna have it like this. If not, see, that would make more sense because I'm gonna be running my feed line, hopefully in the future oil pressure gauge, and then hopefully in the future B20 vtec. I'm just kidding. So yeah, so then we have these little extensions as well. So we'll see how it all works out. Honestly, I'm kind of excited. We'll see how hard this is gonna be. Check out my ugly old feed line with my Mickey Mouse 90. This actually still works. I don't know what it's doing on the floor. But yeah, this is my old feed line. But I want to make sure that this thread works. So perfect. Great. Just wanted to make sure. Make sure you clean your threads as well. Make sure you don't have no dirt or anything on your threads. This feed line busted on me. I'll throw in a short clip on what happened. Yeah, turn it off. So you guys can see. Alright, it's getting kind of late here, and I want to finish this up. So I probably shouldn't have started it because now the manifold's kind of hot and it burns. But sacrifices, you know, you got to sacrifice your fingers. Just joking. It's not funny. Dang it, I really don't want to change it, but I have to. I'm probably gonna drop the turbo. Yeah, let's do that. Let's drop the turbo, and then we'll move on from there. Alright, now that we got it off. It doesn't look that terrible, guys, but honestly, I don't want to risk it, so we're going to be replacing it anyways. So let's get started on removing that plate. Okay, so this is a new one. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic. Here I'm just comparing the new plate from the old plate. As you can see, the old plate is missing half of its threads because I over-tightened it. So just make sure you guys use those 7 pounds of force. It doesn't need to be super tight. Put that threading tape as well. Alright, now we're just gonna prepare these threads with some Teflon. I'm gonna do about 5 around, just like that. I'm gonna end up using this end for the feed line. So when I was installing the sandwich plate, the little adapter thing was a little bit too long, so I grinded it down and got it as flush as I possibly could. I took off probably a couple millimeters just because it was a tad bit too long. Hopefully this works now, because I already got everything else pretty much buttoned up. I just need to put that sandwich plate on, then I can reconnect my feed line, then I can make sure everything's running correctly. But little thing I just basically grinded it down with the grinder, and then I freaking cleaned it up with some 80 grit sandpaper. Now I'm just gonna clean this up, make sure I don't get no threads into my oil, and we'll go from there. Finish up with the sandwich plate. Now we're gonna let it warm up. It is dirty in here, you guys. I really have not cleaned it. What the guy did was swapped out the cluster, because look how much miles that cluster has. 162. And on the title, I think it said like 255. So the guy for sure ripped me off when I bought this car. Not only that, check this out right here, you guys. This guy cut and combined all the wires for the motor. So only this can control all the windows and the regulators. And there's like a little freaking connection down there that has like a fuse holder. And then the horn didn't work, so I had to do like a little Mickey Mouse horn in there because, you know, beep beep, get out of the way. Okay, all jokes aside, let's go ahead and start it up here. Let her warm up a bit. It sounds great though. I can't complain, honestly. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and please stay tuned for more upcoming videos for Whonda. I'm excited. I should have recorded a lot more, but you know, priorities, you guys, priorities. Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So yeah, this weekend hopefully I can go get it retuned, since I upgraded with the ARP head studs. Like I'm telling you, I didn't record anything just because I've been so freaking busy trying to finish the car, getting it ready so I can go out to the meets and go have some fun, you know? You see how the idle's all messed up and all sorts of crazy stuff, you know. But once again, please like, please subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated. If you guys are local out here to Arizona, oh, she's all warmed up. If you guys are out here in Arizona and you see me, please, I mean, hit me up. I'm down to do a friendly race. You know, nothing competitive, no money, none of that stuff. I'm just out here to have fun and enjoy my passion with you guys. If you guys carry the same passion as me. Yo, shout out to Chris. Shout out to Deadbeat, locals out here in Arizona. So yeah, see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.